Across to Bhaskar Panda and try and understand what's really maneuvering the currency at this juncture. Bhaskar, hi, morning. Just help us understand what are the factors at play for the rupee markets currently.
So I think the latest flavor for rupee market is oil prices. So and obviously dollar index. Both have moved higher. Oil prices moved significantly higher. However, let me put across another, a little contradicting perspective on that. If I look at oil prices and correlation between dollar rupee spot market, they are not really directly correlated. However, the sentiment right now is, since oil is higher, therefore dollar rupee is going higher. That means rupee is depreciating. I don't think this is going to pull through beyond 70-30. So therefore, max, it can go there at this point of time. Obviously, we need to see the future, which is, the elections are happening and the results will be coming around, say, in May. And historically, May has been a month in which rupee normally depreciates April end and May. So keeping that in mind, probably one should be a little wary where dollar rupee will, stop. So at this point of time, I'm sure that it may not go beyond, say, 70-30. But in May, probably you could see some more depreciation.
Or Bhaskar, because some reports are suggesting perhaps closer to 73, maybe even 74. Given the pressure we're seeing on crude already, as you mentioned, the elections and focus on balance of payments as well. At which point would you start getting concerned about the depreciation?
I think if it breaks beyond 71.30, then there is a problem. Until we reach 71.30, I don't see any problem. I really don't know whether it will go to 74. I don't believe it will go unless, the results are something which is not expected by the market. Obviously, that will give you a lot of, intraday volatility around that point of time. Fundamentally, see, if oil also remains high, I think a lot of capital account transactions is going to come into, fill up those gaps. So I'm not too much bothered about that right now. And I think oil may not go very high from here onwards. So therefore, that's not really negative if I look at that. However, yes, local factors will definitely, be a big factor when it comes to election results.
That dollar auction yesterday, the swap, the RBI swap, Bhaskar, and it did, demonstrate fairly strong demand coming in. Do you feel that one could take that as an indication that the market perhaps is expecting depreciation?
No, I don't think they are different from each other. Yes, some sort of depreciation was expected, and it's happening because of the high oil prices. But swap window was for different purpose, and the demand was there. So I think RBI is doing a great job of mopping up excess dollars in the market as well. So those two, I don't see it as interrelated, honestly.
Okay, Bhaskar, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us today. We were talking about Bharat Financial and the merger. In fact, we chatted with PH Ravi Kumar,